Here's my scalp before and after. Hydrating Exfoliating Treatment made this possible. Let's treat your sensitive, irritated, or eczema-prone scalp. Relaxation and better blood flow. It's all in a massage. Let's open up those pores and deeply cleanse the scalp. Hydration meets exfoliation. Your scalp will thank you. We use botanical ampules to fortify your hair roots to prevent hair loss. It's infused with botanical ingredients, relieves scalp irritation, calms, and fortifies for the healthier scalp. Look at that fresh, hydrated, and healthy scalp. Get clean, hydrated scalp with Hydrating Exfoliating Treatment.